Every now and then, I come across someone's LinkedIn profile and I notice that they promote the number of connections that they have. 10,000, 15,000, 25,000 connections. And while for some, that might be very impressive, I'm not impressed. You see, the number of connections you have doesn't tell the real story. What's impressive to me is if you have a significant amount of relationships. You see, a connection is someone that you've just added to your LinkedIn network. But a relationship is when you build upon that connection, when you communicate with those whom you are connected to. One of the things that I teach in the LinkedIn Recommendation Challenge is the importance of giving recommendations. And the only way that you can give a recommendation is if you have a relationship with the person that you're giving a recommendation to. And so the next time you are looking at someone's LinkedIn profile and they have 10, 15, 25,000 connections, ask yourself, does this person have those amount of relationships? Better yet, ask yourself, do you?